Hi friends, this is Rekha Vinod. Welcome back to Rekha's Cookbook. In this video, we will see the recipe of Kesar Pista Kulfi. Let's see the required ingredients. Milk 1 liter, condensed milk 1/4 cup, sugar 1/4 cup, cardamom powder 2 pinch, 30 to 40 pistas, 25 to 30 strands of saffron, 10 whole cashews soaked in warm water. Heat a heavy bottom pan on medium to high flame. Add milk and allow it to boil. Once the milk comes to boil, add the saffron soaked milk and give it a good stir. Boil the milk until it reduces to half the quantity. Now the milk has reduced to half. It is the time to add sugar. Add 1/4 cup sugar and mix well. Once the sugar melts, add condensed milk. If you don't have condensed milk, half cup sugar can be used. But using of condensed milk gives creamy texture and flavor. Continue to cook in medium to high flame. Keep stirring it to avoid sticking it to the pan. I have taken 10 whole cashews soaked in warm water. It can also be soaked in warm milk and make a paste out of it. It gives a good creamy texture to the kulfi. I'm just adding 2 pinches of cardamom powder. As this is the Kesar Pista Kulfi, I'm using a very little amount of cardamom powder. Finally, adding chopped pistas. You can either increase or decrease the amount of nuts. I'm just using pista. If you want, you can also use chopped almonds. After adding nuts, cook for 5 more minutes. The consistency of the kulfi milk should not be very thick. When the kulfi mixture reduced to 1/3 quantity, that is less than the half the amount of milk used, then switch off the stove. Right now it looks watery. Once it cools down completely, it becomes slightly thicker. This is how it looks once it comes to room temperature. Any types of molds can be used. This is kulfi mold, this is the regular tumbler, and this is another tumbler. So I'm just adding the kulfi mixture to the molds. Fill the molds with the kulfi mixture and wrap it with the aluminum foil or butter paper. Just wrap it tightly. Likewise, fill all the molds and keep it ready with the kulfi stick. Pierce in between and it is ready to freeze. Now with the remaining milk, add it to an airtight container and close the lid and freeze overnight or at least 10 to 12 hours. After overnight freezing, the kulfi molds are out of the freezer. Now it is ready to be demolded. The kulfis are all set. Now dip the kulfi molds in a normal water. And slightly rub it with your hands and the kulfis are out of the mold. It looks perfect. Our authentic and delicious kulfis are all ready to be served. Top it with some saffron strands or pista nuts and serve chilled. With a box of kulfi, just cut it with a knife and insert a kulfi stick. Can be served like this or can be served as ice cream too.